In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Gemini Photo not create problem on Android. This problem usually happens because Gemini image generation isn't available in your region, or your app is outdated, or permissions are blocked. So the first thing that you may want to do is visit the Play Store. From here, search up Gemini. And from here, see if there are any updates available. Also, make sure that you're signed in with a personal Google account. Also, take in consideration that image generation may not be supported in all countries or for supervised work or school accounts. Now, the next thing that you may want to do is head over to settings, then go to apps or app management, and here allow all the necessary permissions like storage and internet permissions. And lastly is try clearing up the cache. Just click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. Lastly, try to restart your phone and try again later to see if the problem has been solved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!